Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the blend or splice tool in CapCut PC. So in here, I've already opened my projects in CapCut PC, and the blend tool is you can easily find it under the basic menu in here at the right panel. If you scroll down, there is this blend tool, so click on the drop down to show it. Here is the mode is default. You can change it to your liking. For example, I'm going to go with brighten, and here you can see the I can adjust the opacity in here. But the blend or splice tools is usually used if you add an overlay to your video. For example, I'm going to add overlay in here to my projects. Okay, put it on top of the main video. Let's rotate it first, like this. Okay, I'm going to rotate it and enlarge it to cover the main video. And in here, I'm going to choose the splice. Click on overlay. I'm going to use the overlay mode. And here you can just adjust the opacity. So blend or splice can be used to blend the main video with the overlay. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.